Alright, so now welcome to part 2 in plans to reality. Here we will add different parts of blocks, doors, windows and other interior block. So let's get started. Here we will now I start by adding this door block. For that I go to copy tool and just drag at this position point. Now please press enter. Now just go to the mirror command, press enter, and this one press enter. Now here is the second one. Now make a copy of this command and just copy paste this point. Now add at this point reference to this point. Okay, press enter. Just now again we add this point. Now again we just make a copy and press enter this point, reference to this point. Just select and press anywhere enter. First we select copy tool and then rotate from start this point, and now click move it somewhere like that, click enter. Okay, for that after selection we will add the main door. Okay, now add at this point. Okay, all the doors will be added in this plan. Now we have to add extra window blocks. That's why we have to go to the okay. Now we use this command. Now we will add windows. Now copy of this small window, just select and copy. Now again rotating and copying also. Copy, rotate and make another copy. Okay, now select this one and move it here. It is now move here in a wall, in a walls. This is a small, and now the small wall. Now select this one on copy tool and move it on this wall. Now placed, you want to take reference at this midpoint and move it here. Just click. Okay, just enter. Now press enter again. Now again we copy this one and select this one, and just now again we rotate this window for outside the wall. Here is also placed it. Okay, now we copy, select the copy tool and copy it on, just rotate, press enter. Okay, just select and press enter and place it here. Press another one in at this point like this. Now place at this one here, just and press enter. All the windows will be added and doors will be added. We now we have to remove extra lines of the of this tutorial. Okay, doors and windows added, we will clean this geometrical area. For that I select this trim tool and just trim of the extra lines and clean all the extra lines, and simply remove this like this. We remove all the unwanted lines. Okay, we can try trim tool quite easily. We remove all the lines. Using is the AutoCAD 2022. Here open design center by pressing Ctrl plus 2 key and just see all this command will be added. Here is a home tab, just in design center, default view, and all the blocks will be shown. This is the old version of the total AutoCAD 2018, 16, 17. This method we are using. All the made blocks will be available. Design center, just have we will find and just click, and outside click. Here is a okay, but this is another method. We are using the current method, insert command. I insert, just click, all the dialog box will be open. Here we, we need bathtub, and just first change the layer. Okay, bathtub, just click and select. Okay, so this door desk selected, some blocks will be added, and now we add a dining table and drag and just Of this toilet block, table lamp. Select the another block like sofa, and just click sink and this commode. Now here the library. If you want to change, all the many types of blocks will be added here. Just see this total kitchen or man-made blocks, and just close this insert button. Maybe all the blocks will be it's more block efficient. No, we need more insert insert block. Just say and click in this in this for bed. We need some more blocks for the room bedroom. We need some more blocks just here, and just click at this point and go to the browse, and here all the folders will be added: piping, mechanical, electrical, like landscapes, homes, windows, all types of blocks here already made. Okay, we just select and drag outside, then it is also shown. Here is the home space planner. Okay, just open. It takes some time, almost 1 to 2 seconds, then it is showing. Now we add door block. Okay, we added a bed block. Here is sufficient blocks. Okay, we added one block one by one. Such I start with this bed. So select and copy of this and move it here. Now it is rotate this one. We just select rotate tool and rotate it at this point. Okay, and move it once again to move it required position somewhere close to at this point little bit, and we have it. Okay, now select this table lamp, make a copy of this table block. Now move it, just select your copy. We add there, just place there. Now we make another table. We select this IEC rectangle and just select. Okay, and placed. Now we make a copy of this three object, and just select and select copy tool and click anywhere at this site. Okay, just press enter. Now we add some other blocks, like we add just select and move the copy, same thing, no issue, just select. Now just select and press enter. Now we have to rotate, just select rotate command and rotate it like this. Okay, just press enter. Now let's move it from this corner, at the corner. Okay, okay, set. Now we add a sink, just select and move. Okay, now at this point, just at the corner select. Now we add a bathtub. Only need this one only, not use of multiple. Just select and rotate it like this. Okay, press, and I will move it here at the reference point just like this. Okay, enter. Now once again we move this dining table, just select this, move and place at this position. Okay, now we add this dining table, and now I have to rotate this one. So rotate. Okay, now just move at this point. Now we add sofa, just press enter and make a copy. Yeah, otherwise move copy of this block. Now we add here. Now again we add second sofa just here. Now rotate it. First click at this point, make a copy, move, rotate it. Okay, and this one select and just small move at the point. Let's move little bit towards this side. Okay, all right, we have it. Now we can add rectangle table and we just remove it, and now we use the fillet command for the round corner of the table. Just select and polyline select and press enter. Now these are for vertices. Okay, now let's add a TV in the dining room. Okay, just select at this point and click at, now click at this point some random values. Okay, okay, just like this. Now we let move this some. Now we will add some plants. Here is a plant. Now we make a select at this point, just select, and then make a copy. Again we place here. All right, here is also just placed. Okay, they can. Okay, we not need this open, we need our kitchen. Now we have added lots of blocks. Now we add only kitchen blocks. Okay, just place enter, just select and make a drawing of this window. Now we select all the kitchen tools, just select. Now just press enter and move, press explode, x enter explode. Now select this one. Okay, select, first we change the color. Okay, the color is same. And now select this point, this one. Now just move from here, we will slab at this point, just select and press enter. Okay, here is a just delete extra mat. Okay, now we added all the kitchen utensils. Okay, just select and move, rotate at this window size, because this is a, just select and move, just select and move here at the point, just select. Okay, press enter. Now again we placed this rectangular block. Okay, according to this time we will added sufficient number of blocks in this drawing. Now we can delete all the extra blocks where we not required, because we already added all the blocks. Okay, after floor blocks will be added, now we can change the layer. Click at this point for the hatches, just click, and now we add, just select and copy and press enter. Hatchet is solid hatches, which is this area, this within this wall. Okay, if this within this block, just press the mouse button, click here, the small area here. Okay, close this one. Okay, just press enter the wall, under the wall. That time hatching will be work. If make sure all the areas are completed, make sure no areas are. After hatching, all the hatches will be done, we will check. Now again we add text for this block, for this simple floor plan. Now we change the layer, just change the layer for the text. Okay, if you want to change the color of the hatching, just select and press enter. Color also changed. Anytime you want to change the layer color, just go and select at the color point. Now just select. Now we change all the colors, whatever you want, just select. Now we choose the text command. Okay, text layer will be selected. Now we add multi-line text, select and press enter. Now we add bedroom 1. Okay, press enter. After making this one, press enter. This is very small, it is not able to see what I'm just typing. Just select this one and make a property, go to the property tool here, property, open. Now we add this one, increase the size, and here is make one. Now but it is not able to see. Okay, no issue. But after this adding textured, we will change the color according to me. Just make a bold. Okay, now press enter and copy this one. Now copy at this point, now copy at this point. Here is also copy, here is also copy, and here is also make a copy of all the text. Okay, let's go for the change all the text. Just select, press double enter, double type, and change toilet. Okay, just press enter. Outside the mouse button, it's also work enter. Select, double click, then also select all the things, but select bedroom 2. Now again select this one, select all, make a kitchen. Now we have to rotate this, just select at this point and this one point, just press enter. Now again we move at the center almost here, full better looking. Okay, just select almost all the, no, this one text also select, control all. Now change dining room. Okay, dining, DINNING, dining room. Now we will edit all the text and just move this one at this point here. Okay, now we will edit all the text, just move here. Now change this one also. Here is a, just control all, control, yeah, is air ventilation. Okay, air ventilation. Now after adding all the text, just delete this door windows command, windows block. Now here is all the doors and windows will be added, text will be added, and all these things will be added. If you want to increase the size, just select, press properties, and here is showing the text height. Just if you according to you want, I'm just increasing, press enter. Now press enter. Okay, just see the height will be increases, but not more than, it's looking good, better. Okay, now after complete adding all the blocks, windows and doors, all the hatches will be completed. I will give you a extra bonus tips for block command, how to flip easily the blocks up down, this one to this one size, and without using mirror command. Okay, how to just I will show you. Just make a copy of any one block, just like as we will make a copy of this door block. Just select, make a copy, press enter, and drag this side. Okay, now just go to the block editor, select. Now we will come to flip command, and now just select the block. Okay, press, select at this point where you want to be flip. If you want to flip at any side, you just go to the flip command. Now we will be at select at this point here, make a copy, select all these points, and now at this point just select, press enter. This is the flip will be added in this point. Now actions, now go to the, after adding this one, now we will go to the action command for the running for this using. So just select at this point and select at this point, and two-sided we will flip. Now we will go to the action command, just select flip, press, select this one. Now select all the object, press enter. Okay, now again we will select action flip command. Now we'll select second one, press enter, and select object, press enter. Now we will added all this flip command. Okay, close block editing, save the changes. Now you see this changes will be done. Just click at this point. Now you see the block will easily flip. This one is up and down, easily flip, not mirror command is using in this time. This one is also, this one, this side and upside, again click, downside. Here is a bonus for you for extra block command. Okay, how to flip easily without using mirror command. Okay, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Welcome to the